Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to style this beautiful burgundy dress in many different ways. Talking about the dress, it has got this collared neck and it has this asymmetric stitching design pattern on the front below the neckline. It is of loose fit shape and it has got a lot of pleats, and that makes it a perfect summer piece in my wardrobe. I'm gonna wear it for office, so I decided to wear this black belt. Black goes really well with this burgundy color. Also, if you look at this dress, the combination of this plaid pattern with the lot of pleats, it makes it a unique and beautiful piece in my wardrobe. Now I'm wearing these black pumps. I'm matching my belt, shoes and bag. I'm carrying this basic black bag. And that is how simple it is to create a very beautiful office appropriate outfit. Now the fabric is of cotton material. It is really flowy and it is very smooth on the skin. So we have this office look which is very comfy. Let's turn the office outfit into a casual one by adding a fabric belt. Just grab a belt. This is basically a bow tie which came with a shirt. I'm going to wear it as a belt. Now I'm tying the knot in the front and I'm making sure that the one end of the belt is longer, slightly longer. It creates that beautiful effect. Also, when you tie such kind of casual belts, it adds a casual touch to the outfit and at the same time it looks very pretty. I'm wearing these black metallic flat sandals which are really comfy and perfect for summers. And now I'm carrying this black basic sling bag. This is how beautiful it looks with the belt and sandals. All the accessories I'm keeping black because my dress has already two colors. I'm keeping the other things simple. Now this is a perfect summer casual outfit. In case if you're a college student, you can also wear it. You can style your dresses in the similar way and it will work out for you as well. For the second look, which is for the office, I'm wearing this mustard brown belt here. The idea that I want to share with you is when you pair up your outfit with the right kind of accessories like a belt, pair of shoes and bag, it can instantly elevate your look, and that is what I have done here. I'm wearing this mustard brown belt, similar colored shoes and similar colored bag. And now if you look at the whole outfit, it looks so gorgeous because the color combination of burgundy works very well with mustard brown. It is kind of classic color combination and it looks very rich and stylish at the same time. Also, I would highly recommend you to invest in mustard brown belt, bag and a pair of shoes because this is something which goes with almost every outfit in my wardrobe. Let's quickly turn this into a casual outfit. I'm wearing the same belt. I have changed my shoes. This time I'm wearing these T-strap, really comfy flat sandals, and I'm wearing this black sling bag. Now I would again suggest that everyone should have at least one sling bag because it is something which works for the formal and casual outfits and it is a must have, especially if you are a college student. This is my high recommendation. This look is the best example of how to come up with the unexpected and surprising print on print mixture that creates an outfit. This is how this cropped blazer looks up close. I'm wearing it over the dress. Also, the geometric print of the blazer goes really well with the plaid pattern of the dress. The simple trick that I follow is making sure that the sleeves of my dress are visible. It helps in elevating your look instantly. Now, when it comes to blending two colors together, you can go ahead with similar colored shoes and bag. And that's the reason I'm wearing these white ballet flats. They go really well with the cropped blazer. And I'm also carrying this burgundy bag, which goes well with the dress. And that is how I'm trying to balance it out. Now, the idea that I want to share here is do not hesitate, just look what works for you in your wardrobe and you can also mix the prints and create new outfits. This is such one example. Turning this work outfit into a casual one is very easy. I'm simply changing my shoes, and this time I'm wearing these white sneakers. They go really well with the cropped blazer, and I'm carrying the same burgundy bag. And that is how easy it is to create the casual outfit. This kind of outfit also works for the college students. If you have long dresses, this is how you can wear them. Just add a jacket. It could be a denim jacket or a cropped blazer, and that's pretty much all you need to create this beautiful casual outfit. We all have unique pieces in our wardrobe, and this shrug is one such piece. I'm wearing this beautiful shrug. It has got rich color combinations of burgundy, brown and gold. It's got this floral print all over. And in this outfit, I'm mixing this floral print of the shrug with the plaid pattern of the dress. And the whole outfit looks so gorgeous put together. Now this shrug has got very light sheer fabric, so it is a perfect layering piece for the summers. I'm wearing this brown belt because it goes really well with the color of the shrug and dress, and I'm sticking to the same color when it comes to the choice of shoes. And for the bag, I'm going ahead with this burgundy color. So basically I'm trying to balance out everything in this outfit, the accessories and the shrug and the dress. And now we have this really rich and classy work outfit. It is perfect for the days when you want to look very bold and confident, and you have high spirits and you want to look really unique at work. Before I show you the casual look, I must show you how this shrug looks up close. It has got this sheer fabric. It is very lightweight and perfect summer layering piece. Now for the casual look, I am wearing this shrug as it is. I am also rolling up my sleeves to create that cool casual look. For the choice of shoes, I am wearing these T-strap sandals. They are really comfy and they also have gold color in them, which makes them go really well with the shrug. And now I'm carrying this burgundy bag, and that's pretty much it. This outfit is perfect for everyone out there, be it working women or college students, a simple hangout, movie or grocery shopping, whatever you want to use it for. Let's create a work or casual party outfit. This time I'm wearing this off-white blouse over the dress. It is again a unique piece in my wardrobe because it comes with slits on the both sides. It also has a drawstring. You can adjust it and it will help you defining your waist. It has this beautiful neckline along with frill sleeves, and it has buttons on the front. You can also wear it like a shrug. The off-white color goes really well with the plaid pattern on the dress. If you look at the overall outfit, it looks like I'm wearing a single dress which is quite unique and stylish. And I'm wearing these burgundy pumps and carrying burgundy bag, and we have this beautiful outfit here. This time I'm also wearing jewelry. I decided to wear these really pretty pearl earrings. They go very well with the whole outfit, and these are classic jewelry pieces that almost goes with everything in my wardrobe. Now I have this unique party outfit. I'm also making sure to wear this burgundy lip color just to stick to the party theme. Now this can be worn and styled for both casual and formal gatherings. Turning the previous party outfit into a casual one is very easy. This time I have simply unbuttoned my shrug and I'm wearing it as it is, like a shirt. Also, for the choice of shoes, I'm wearing these really comfy burgundy loafers. They go really well with the off-white shrug and the burgundy dress. And here we have this really casual, cool outfit ready. Now another way of styling this same outfit is using these drawstrings. I'm tying a knot in the front and I'm consciously keeping it slightly loose. It kind of adds that casual touch and creates a beautiful, effortless, casual summer outfit, which is perfect for everyone out there. Now these kind of outfits work for every body type because the dress and the shrug both are quite loose. That was pretty much it for today. I hope you liked watching my videos. If you connect with my styling sense, my humble request is to share your thoughts in the comments section. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Until then, take care of yourself.